appearing one after another, but there is still nothing fancy, nothing beautiful, no transition, no effect. So this is why we are using our Windows Movie Maker, so that whatever we are creating shall look like little enhanced, effective. Okay, so here we stop it, and now we have added different photos, and if you need, we can also drag and drop our photos here and there. Like our first photo is this one, that nature wallpaper something. I can click and I can drag it to the other position wherever I like. Is it? I can drag to the other position. I can drag anywhere wherever I like. You can see now this full array of images came last, this came first, this came middle. Wherever I want I can change. Now whenever you see a movie starts, it always starts with using some movie title. So as we started movie, if I play, it is directly starting, nothing fancy, nothing happening. So better first we have a title of our movie. So how would you have a title for that? Let us start with, here in home tab we will find the option named as title. Before using title, we have to see our playhead is at the position or not. See, right now my playhead, this back looking playhead is at the starting, so it is better place to put the title. Or I can put it in middle, here, or wherever I like. But as you know, whenever movie start, title is always at the starting, so I am trying to create the title in the starting. By default, the title is my movie. Now whatever changes I want, I can have here. I think my movie is good option, or I can write it nature's video or something, whatever I want to have. Now you see my video is very normal, my text is very normal. I can make it bold, italic, whatever I like. I can change the font color, I can make it bigger or smaller, whatever I like. I can change the font also, so whatever I want I can do from here, nature's video. And I can also use some outline as well. Outline means outline of the text, so like outline of the text. I can also set the background color. Background color means right now it is black. I want to change it to something else, like which color? Any color, whatever I like. If you like that, so okay. Otherwise, I can also have more colors. Whatever color you like. I think this color will be okay. Yes, this color looks much better. So this is basically our background and the title of your video. Next is, after adding title, we are also having some different things, as how this title appear. Like right now it is appearing blank. Now here you can see some effect for my titles. If I can see the first one, it looks like this. Second one, this third one, this fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, and there are more options. Whichever you find, you can apply for your nature's video title. Whatever you like, find. I think I find this one much better, so I will try to have cinematic burst, this one. So if I write, you will see now it looks much fancier. Good. So after applying my title, I'll stop it. After applying my title, I can have some captions. What are the captions? captions can be added to a video anywhere to tell you what sort of video it is played or something about the place or anything. Like if I go to this one, it looks like boats in the sea. So I can have a caption here. Here I can go here and you can see that caption place appears. Double click it, and whatever I want to write, I can write. What I'm writing, first of all, I will select all and delete it. Here it appears here, and write the caption as boats in the sea. Can you see the caption? Captions are always very small and not very effective, but they are only to inform you what type of video you are seeing. So you can have their transparency extra or less. How to select the transparency? Transparency can be selected from the transparency button, which is available in the format tab. Format tab only appears whenever you are editing your video or any caption or text. Otherwise it is not appearing. So right now I'm editing my caption, that's why it is appearing. So I can let it appear onto the right side, left side, or but that you already know that alignment. I can make it appear like this way, this way, this way, or the normal way. Whatever way you find fit, you can use your captions. So I think boats in the sea. This way the caption looks much better, and I can make it a little bigger, little larger as well. And if you need, you can also change the font also. Whatever font you like, you can change. I like comic, make it bold. If you need, you can change the color also. Better in yellow, okay, and let it be little more downwards. Boats in the sea. Same way I can add, I can make my playhead move here from the second video, and as second video appears, I can have another caption, whatever caption you can have. This is what? A hut in the sea. You can see it's very non-visible kind of. Using this way, we can add our caption. So I'm not going to add everywhere caption because it will take a little longer. So this way you can add your caption. Caption will be seen downside of every slide. Now you may have seen one thing, that I'm only using photos, but still it will make my movie. Using only photos, I can create a movie. Suppose you have gone to a particular tour somewhere like Delhi, Mumbai, London, or somewhere, and you want to make your photos to look like a movie. So you can use this software and create a kind of effect that you are creating a movie. So this can be easily done with this software. Now the next thing is adding credits. What are the credits? Credits, you already know, basically related to the names which you provide for the creator, who has created. So who has created this movie? If you have created, obviously you, and those who are presented while making the movie, or those who are being seen in the scenery. So you can add the names in the credits, and you know where the credit comes when the movie ends. Yes, so whenever the movie ends, you can have the credit. The place is yours, you can apply anywhere, but better way is to use the credit at last. So I will click my header. You can see this header at the last. Then click on credits. Okay, I can have credits along with different things, like in home I can have credits. If you drop down, you have director, starring, location, soundtrack, everything you can means who has designed the soundtrack, what are the locations, what are the who were the starring, means who were playing the roles in the movie, who was the director, and the credit is to normal credit. So right now I'm using only credits and have some name here like X, Y. I will have some names here like X, Y, Z, A, B, C. They are the general names, so I can't write any names. Whatever names you find correct, you can write. Whatever names you like, you can have. I am just putting some random letters for the names, but you can directly put some names here. So suppose these are the names, and I can also change the colors and everything for that using format. Go to format, have the size option. You can see, have the colors option, or no, now our credit came. I can also choose the background